Welcome, everybody. My name is Thomas. You may know me as Art of Thomas, the creator of Independent Academy. So today we're gonna take a look at CELO, which is it's a blockchain designed for mobile users first, and a very interesting project that it's gonna be my first time trying it. So we're gonna see how it works together, and that's the point of the digital voyager. It's not me coming and chilling a product, it's just us going into this adventure, into exploring the unknown regions of the digital space. So without further ado, let's begin. So we received an email saying that on-chain alpha, so CELO has come to layer 3 with some interesting quests for us to do. And it gives us a little bit of an overview of what CELO is. CELO is currently a layer 1 chain with a grand vision to make sending and receiving payments as easy as sending a text to anyone with an internet connection around the world. Definitely a very noble goal, and we are hoping that CELO accomplishes this. CELO's mobile-first platform is seamlessly EVM compatible. That's good, with plans to migrate to an Ethereum Layer 2 soon. So this is a big announcement that CELO has made. It's been known for a while, but we never actually discussed this in the channel. And basically CELO at the moment is operating as its own layer 1, which has been completely optimized for mobile to make it easy for people to send and receive money. But now they will be migrating, and they will convert the entire layer 1 into a layer 2 in Ethereum. And it is showing the weight that the Ethereum ecosystem has, which is now bringing other layer 1s into becoming a layer 2 of Ethereum. This is actually a quite interesting showcase of where the industry is going. Like Ethereum, you can bridge, swap, mint, and discover on CELO. However, with extremely low fees and light speed transactions, you can unlock new apps as well as favorites like Uniswap. CELO consistently ranks amongst the top chain by daily addresses, active addresses. Its scaling solution has facilitated over 350 million transactions with an average gas fee of 0.0005. So that is extremely cheap. That could be almost as cheap, if not cheaper, than Solana, which is known for its very cheap fees. So that is very impressive and very good for us. With 5-second block times, CELO is leader for light speed, low cost, and Ethereum compatible activity. See, this is super interesting because Solana has branded itself as the fast and cheap chain, that it's a counterpoint to Ethereum, but they are not EVM compatible. So CELO appears to be, at first glance, as efficient as Solana, but also EVM compatible. And most of the developer activity right now is in the EVM chains. So this is super, super interesting. In July 2023, CELO announced its plan to completely transition to a layer 2 chain on Ethereum. Competition has been heated with technical pitches made by Arbitrum, CK Sync, and Polygon developers. Interesting. It'll be very interesting to see where CELO makes its home. Arbitrum, CK Sync, or Polygon, all great choices. Maybe Optimism can be an option there as well. We shall wait and see for that. CELO's community is currently evaluating which block stack it will migrate to, and will likely share its next steps soon. All right, we will stay updated for future details, and we will let you all know when there's a decision made on this. Very good. All right, so we will just take a quick look at the CELO homepage. Let's see how CELO presents itself. Build together and prosper. CELO is scaling Ethereum with real-world solutions, leading a thriving new digital economy for all. Interesting. Let's continue to look at this. So 5-second block time, great. Carbon negative, why not? And yeah, over 300 million transactions already been made on the CELO blockchain. That is a lot. It's really good. And we can see that the average gas fee is, yeah, it's a fraction of a cent. So amazingly cheap, almost free. The difference you can make with CELO's emerging L2 protocol. What can we do? It's mobile first, which makes Web3 universally accessible with low-cost multi-currency gas fees. Oh, multi-currency gas fees. That's interesting. Apparently, that to me, that seems like you would be able to pay the gas fees with other tokens, not just with the CELO token, which would make the whole thing much, much more usable. Building blocks to scale big ideas, integrate once, then scale to any size. CELO's ecosystem ensures seamless composability across systems, so you never have to worry about fragmented systems or shared chains. Interesting. This is very similar to the Solana idea of one giant global state machine. So I think CELO does have a lot of similarities with Solana, but again, as a layer 2 of Ethereum instead of its own L1, which is interesting. A regenerative path towards prosperity. Think and build bigger with a rich refi ecosystem using assets and primitives native to CELO. So refi is short for regenerative finance, and it's basically a way of how can we build financial systems that also help us regenerate the world around us. So a lot of times, like regenerative finance applications will donate some of their earnings into things like planting trees, saving a forest, cleaning an ocean, something like that to help the environment around us. It's a very interesting concept. Use finance to rejuvenate the world, if you will. Okay, so what's possible on CELO? We have decentralized payments. Of course, that's the main use case for blockchains. Mobile DeFi, amazing. There's over 6 billion smartphone users across the world, so it's going to help with access and to build dApps. So very good. I think, yeah, the main driver of CELO has to be that it's very fast, it's very cheap, and mobile friendly. I think that those are the main takeaways that I'm getting from this. And I believe that's pretty much it.